already know what it is. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy B Smooth back at it again, man. To all the newcomers, hey, welcome. Hey, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, share, you know the whole 9 yard. Alright, this is what I got going on today, guys and gals and everybody else out here, whatever you want me to think. This is what I got going on. I went and bought a set of door panels. Somebody already was working on them. The panels are, how can I put it? The panels are pretty much fucked, okay? Pretty much fucked. I'm gonna see if I can repair them. I should be able to repair them. I didn't want to fuck up my truck panels alone because I like to keep my original panels. I didn't pay a lot for them and then in that nature, so pretty much not butt hurt about it. But it's a lot of work to go on. It's a lot of goddamn work to go on. I want to show y'all what it look like now. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm about done with them. I'm not gonna paint these. I don't want to paint them. Just being honest, I don't want to fucking paint them. It takes too much time. It takes too much work just to paint a fucking door panel when you gotta sit here and do all this sanding and bundling and sanding. I hate that shit, man. I hate even fucking with fiberglass. So I really hate I got this shit because at the point where I'm at now, I could have just bought some regular motherfucking panels and ran with them, man. Instead of trying to fix somebody else's fucking problems. But we finna go ahead and get into it. Let's get it. All right, guys. I'd have put 2 coats of glass on it. It's starting to harden up, but we ain't got a whole lot of sunlight, so it's gonna take a minute. The way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna sand it down, get it kind of smooth, and I'm just gonna take it and get it wrapped. It's nothing to it. It's not my first rodeo actually fucking with fiberglass. I'd have done it a couple of times, but I really don't prefer glass and panels like that. But I think she's gonna turn out pretty smooth, man. I think so. All this old black paint and shit coming off, man. Cause I got the panels, they had black paint on it. All that shit coming off. I should have did a better video or me actually wrapping and everything, but I don't know what the fuck my tripod is. So, I mean, that's all I can actually do for right now. I'm actually using my marine grade fiberglass. So that shit there, man. That's what I normally use on side-by-side boxes and stuff. I normally use marine grade glass. That stuff there holds. It holds, man. I used to lie down my side-by-side box before I wrap them. This right here, I'm not gonna be able to wrap because of the corners and everything. So, you know. Right, let me go and get this out the way, y'all. And I'm gonna sit this one up in here. And I'm gonna show y'all what they look like before. I'm gonna show you what the fuck these things really look like before. Let's get it. Alright, so these the panels here, they are completely fucked. Broken here, fiberglass pulling up all the way around it. We're gonna cut all this shit out and just rebuild the whole fucking thing. Fuck this shit, man. I should have just rebuilt this, just got me a pair of fresh panels, but fuck it. Look at it. Look at that, man. Look at that. And then I had a peaceful grill. I guess the grill won't done like that, just stuck there with screws. Yeah, we ain't doing that. So we're finna rebuild all this shit. Fuck this. Alright, guys. Still working on this same 1 panel. faces off. Still went around with another little fiberglass. And, I call it kitty hat. I call it kitty hat. Got a ladder. I got a little boo-boo, a whole bunch of boo-boo right here. So I should be able to sand that off. I'll just peel off. Which I want. Something. But just gonna let it sit out here. Really ain't been getting a whole lot of heat, man. This is really the worst time to fuck with this when it's not hot. So what I'm gonna do, like I say, let this sit for a while and come back. And like I said, this is still the first pound. And say it's a fucking process, dude. So when people out here, fiberglass and pounders and shit, y'all need to respect that shit. That shit take forever. I mean, you don't want no gaps in there because you don't want them coming loose. So that's why I went back over it again and again and again. I keep going over it so I can make it hard as hell. I want to be able to throw this motherfucker in the woods and that bitch don't break. So I got, man, it's going to take a lot of fucking body work on this, man. It's going to take a lot of body work. But we're going to let it sit out here. The sun coming on now. We're going to let it sit here. We're going to pull this out a little so it can get better sun. We're going to let it sit here and dry. And then I come back and that's when I start back. I got to take my I ain't been using my grind. I use my Sawzall. I mean, not my Sawzall. Oh, shit. I use my, fuck this shit, my jigsaw. And I just walk around and I take my motor wood and motor back down. So we're gonna see how this shit turn out, man. But I think she's gonna be pretty good. Like I say, this shit here, hard as a fucking brick. And that's what I want. I ain't got time for this shit to be cracking up, breaking. Because once you start sanding on it and bunding on it, well, once you sand on it, it's gonna knock it down, it's gonna weaken it. Once you start sanding on it, it's gonna weaken it. So what you do then, you go back and re-sand again. And you just want it smooth, a smooth texture feeling. But fuck with me here, I might take this shit up here to my guy and let him just wrap this whole pounder. But I'm gonna sand it down so I'm gonna get it a little smooth, cause I don't want the rough edges and shit. So, you know, like I say, hey man, we out here trying some shit, so let's get it. don't judge, we just trying some shit, let's get it. Alright guys, we got some sand and knocked out. Oh, bro, I gotta still bundle and more sand. Oh shit, this some bullshit. This some bullshit. Yeah, this some motherfucking bullshit. Well, let's continue on, y'all. Let's continue. I can tell y'all this takes a lot. Right now, I wish I would just pay to get this done. This should have headache. This should have fucking headache. But let's get it. I'm leaving the house. I had to come by here for a minute. Look what I did. Yeah, grill cover. So I went on ahead and cut and wrapped the grill cover real quick. And now I'm finna shoot down here and test it out. And after that, then I guess I go ahead and get started on the next door. I mean, I should have showed y'all full clip by clip of me actually doing everything, man. But sometimes I be running away from myself. I tell you, sometimes I be running away from my fucking self. I have nothing else to say, but I be running away from myself. When I got the doors, they needed a lot of fucking repair, basically rebuilt. But I needed some panels because the panels in the truck looks fucking awesome, and I didn't want to fuck up the panels. So that's when it came down to like, man, you need to find you some spare doors and just run with it. You did. So we're gonna try this on and see how this fit on it. Hurry up and get back. Go ahead and grab something to eat before I go to work. All right, let's get it. The panels right here. Here's the grill. I'm gonna try to, man, don't judge me, man. I don't do this shit every day. Get in. We got to take the pounds and get them wrapped. I'm not wrapping these, man. And I still got to do a lot more bundle on this shit. But there we go, guys. So, got 1 pounder down there out the way. Shit. On to the next one. Well, guys, that's all I got for right now, man. I'm tired as fuck. Fuck this shit. Alright, it's your boy Be Smooth. I'm out there, bit. Let's get it.
Wake up in the morning, thank the Lord I'm here another day. Cause I know this shit could've went another way. They ain't to my shit, I'm going the other way. When they gave up on this shit, I just kept going and going. I'm putting this shit up in they fucking face. When my mama left, I swear my mind ain't been right ever since. I be putting it real shit up in these hits. If I don't do nothing else, you better believe I'm going to get a check. Like the beach, when I come around her, that shit make her wet. I'ma just keep my cool, niggas waiting on me to act out. How you mad at me because you owe me money, man, y'all niggas shout out. Taking my counting for weakness, don't know why you do that, you know how I'm coming, it's personal. Telling me lies and want me to really believe it, I'm thinking it's clowns, it's personal. Okay, my number's still the same, you can hit me up. Saying I ain't lit enough, like saying God ain't good enough. That's cap. Why they be playing on my fucking name? Got me feeling like I'm Birdman. Niggas, they gotta be losing their mind for thinking I'm falling off, I ain't going